Hello YouTube, I Fix It All here, Team I Fix It All. I'll do a part 6 because I'm going through all my TFI and PIP modules to verify operation. And I had mentioned that I didn't want to use a test light or a spark tester to verify operation, that I wanted to use an actual spark plug. So what I've got myself here is a drill rigged up. Got my power supply. Go to part 5. You can go to part 1 to see time spent on the wiring diagram on how to connect all this to bench test your spark. Part 5 is where I start bench testing. Part 6 here is demonstrating the type of spark I'm looking for. So I'll plug this in and I'm able to monitor PIP signal output and also verify the spark by running my drill. If I just run my drill like this, then I'm looking for a consistent spark. Sorry for the loud drill noise, but I'm going to kill the lights. And what I'm looking for is a bluish white spark. That killed a lot of the light. I'm going to kill one more light right here. Get aimed perfectly. Okay, we're dark, but we're looking for spark that's consistent and white. See if we can do anything different here. Hang tight while I get some lights on. Also, your ignition module might get a little bit warm. That's another sign that it's functional or is doing some work. And my profile ignition pickup signal is between 5 and 7 volts. I set it on the 50 volt scale because if I go to the 10 volt scale, my needle will peg if the stator down here happens to rest on a magic sweet spot that supplies around battery voltage. But the average should be about 5 to 7 volts DC. See how it went to 0 now? That's not important. What's important is monitoring that to make sure that it's a nice bluish white spark. What I didn't understand was what is the flaring, the pulsing flaring going on, but I noticed there was no skipping in spark. I just had an ignition module that was showing spark, and then there'd be a momentary lapse of spark, and then a spark is back, and it's momentary. And so I decided to start over, put a PIP module inside this test distributor that I knew was brand damn new, and it was Ford Motor Company. And then I'm also starting off with this Motorcraft ignition module. So this would be my reference for testing all my parts. These two pieces are probably going to be units that I can depend on to test against other components. All right, you guys have a great day. See ya.